day, everyone! Welcome to Science for Young Minds with Merivit Education Center. This series is for P.6. Let's learn some new words. Are you ready? You will learn how to pronounce and spell the vocabularies used in the topic. Here are some important words for this lesson. Can you say them with me? Here we go. Number 1. Solubility. Number 2. Insoluble. Number 3. Filtration. Number 4. Funnel. Number 5. Decantation. Please say the words by yourself. That was awesome! Let's learn more about each word. Are you ready? Please say the word with me. Solubility. Let's say it again. Solubility. S-O-L-U-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Solubility. That was awesome! Can you say the word by yourself? Fantastic! The solubility decreases as the carbon content rises. Can you read the sentence on your own? Great! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Insoluble. Let's say it again. Insoluble. I-N-S-O-L-U-B-L-E. Insoluble. That was wonderful! Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent! The tea leaves are insoluble in the tea. Can you read the sentence on your own? Amazing! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Filtration. Let's say it again. Filtration. F-I-L-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. Filtration. That was fantastic! Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent! Filtration is used to separate insoluble solids from a liquid in a mixture using a filter. Can you read the sentence on your own? Wonderful! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Funnel. Let's say it again. Funnel. F-U-N-N-E-L. Funnel. That was awesome! Can you say the word by yourself? Fantastic! Fold a filter paper as shown below and place it in a funnel. Can you read the sentence on your own? Great! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Decantation. Let's say it again. Decantation. D E C A N T A T I O N. Decantation. That was awesome. Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent! The simplest technique to separate a liquid from an insoluble solid is decantation. Can you read the sentence on your own? Amazing! Let us now proceed to our lesson. Our objectives for today's lesson are the following. Explain separating insoluble solids from liquids. Explain decantation and filtration. Identify the applications involving this separation technique. What do you mean by insoluble solid? You have learned that insoluble means something that cannot be dissolved. Therefore, when someone says a solid is insoluble, it means that it will not dissolve in water. There are a few ways to separate insoluble solids from liquids. Can you name the 3 techniques that will help us in separating insoluble solids from liquids? Yes, great job! The 3 techniques in separating insoluble solids from liquids are decantation, filtration, and precipitation. In today's episode, we will be learning the first 2 techniques, namely decantation and filtration. Are you ready? Let's go! What is decantation? Decantation is a process used to separate a solid by pouring the liquid after the solid has settled at the bottom. The solid substances are allowed to settle at the bottom of the container before the liquid is carefully poured off the top. This time, I will show a very good example of decantation, and that is separating rice from water. Have you tried this at home? Well, to clean the smaller dust particles, we soak rice grains in water. What will happen next? Knowing that rice grains are heavy, will it float or sink? Yes, rice grains being heavy will sink in water, and the smaller dust particles will float. And then, what will you do next? Since rice grains settle at the bottom of the vessel, we can now decant the water. And that ends the process of separating mixture of rice and water through decantation. So easy, right? All right. Can you identify what is the insoluble solid in this example? Yes, that insoluble solids are the rice grains. How about the liquid? Correct. It is the water. Great job! More examples for decantation? Here they are. Number 1. We have oil and water. Oil floats on top of water. Decanting the mixture allows the oil to be poured off the water. Number 2. We have dirt and water. Muddy water can be cleared up by decanting. The soil will sink to the bottom of the glass, allowing the clear water to be poured off. Number 3. We have blood and plasma. A centrifuge is necessary for this decantation. Plasma can be removed from blood by decantation. Filtration happens every day around the world to get a liquid that everyone needs: clean water. Imagine going to a stream or lake and scooping up a bottle full of water. Chances are, the water inside won't look like the water that comes out of your faucet. It may be discolored, and you'll probably see some dirt and other debris floating in it. What you might not guess is that you can make that water clean by filtering it. In today's lesson, you will know how to separate mixtures through filtration. So what is filtration? Filtration is a process used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid in a solid-liquid mixture with a filter. This time, I want to show a very good example of filtration. Brewing coffee. Do you know what happens when we brew coffee? Brewing coffee involves passing hot water through the ground coffee and a filter. The holes of the filter paper are very fine that the coffee particles cannot pass through them. Can you identify the residue and filtrate in this example? Amazing! When the mixture of ground coffee and water is poured onto the filter paper, the coffee is left on the filter paper as residue, and the liquid coffee collected is the filtrate. What do you see in the picture? It's like an underground water, right? Yes, this is what we call aquifer. An aquifer is an underground layer of water-bearing permeable rock fractures, or unconsolidated materials. Don't you know that water in an aquifer is relatively pure? Why? It is because the water has been filtered through sand and permeable rock in the ground. The sand and the permeable rock in the ground became the filter. This is a natural filtration process. In summary, you have learned the first two techniques in separating insoluble solid from liquids, namely decantation and filtration. Please get your science textbook and workbook and do the following. Number 1. Experiment and answer the following. Page 29. Let's try decantation. Numbers 1 to 3. Pages 30 to 31. Let's try filtration. numbers 1 to 8. Number 2. Workbook page 23. Items 4, A to B. That is all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a great day and see you in the next episode.